When my child turned 3, we spent a year and a half trying all the ABA speech and YouTube videos that we could find. After a year and a half of trying ABA and speech YouTube videos we could find, it was awful and fruitless, and mostly my son refused to do anything. So they saw strategies, and it did not work. They had their own experience. They didn't even have to go to a provider to realize that that exchange-based method, withholding things, only giving kids things they love after they do the work. So they found ways of communication and our lives changed. Okay. And this is why I know that these things are this valuable, and your life changes when you follow valuable things, because it happened for Stone and Root. Their lives changed in 6 months' time. So their child just turned 3. So in 6 months' time, there was a drastic improvement, and best of all, a wonderful invitation from my son into his zone. So there was better communication. I don't know how much speech, but definitely better communication. And now my son is 5.5, communicating mainly through speech. There it is. She did it. There never was any therapy. And they got better results, more valuable results by using language facilitation. And these are not my clients. These are people who use the strategies on YouTube and the workbook.